Hi Caroline. So I'm going to show you how to manage your grade center, to fix your weighted column, and also to fix your categories and organizing your columns. Now the last time we met, I showed you how to create the category. So just to refresh, you click on create category, and then you set up whether it's like tests, projects, assignments, whatever what it is. This is where you give the name and then click on submit. When you're finished, you can look at the examples here first before I close out. So for here, I have vocabulary and no red ink, participations, assignments, assessments, and projects. These are the ones that we're using for our course site. So you're going to create them, and then under your column organization, that's when you're going to sort your assignments into whatever where you want to get the percentage for. So click on OK. You're done, and then let's go to column organization. For column organization, when you're creating assignments or discussion boards, right, you give them a certain name for it, and then with that, it's only discussion board and assignments, but you want to give them like project weighted percentage or participation or test or whatever what it is that you want to assign the weighted column for that particular assignment. So what you do is you click on the assignment here. For example, these are actually assignments, but I change it to vocabulary no red ink weighted column. So for that, you can scroll to the top and change the category to vocabulary and no red ink for my part, right? So for projects, for example, like writing session, no, where's the project? So here, like persuasive rhetoric and other stuff, I changed that to a category. Maddie, can you stop shuffling? I changed that to writing session percentage. So again, you can scroll to the top or you can scroll down to the bottom and change category to writing session. All right, and when you're finished, make sure you click on submit, because if you don't, it's not going to save the changes. All right, so go ahead and click on submit, and then when you're done, you go to your weighted, you can, if you want to do like your mid progress report, right, you can click on manage, create calculated column, and then you can average here or you can get weighted column. So you go ahead and click on weighted column, and then you name it first quarter mid progress. Great. Right, and then you can just copy the same thing, and then you want to go by grading period. You want to go by first quarter grading period. So whatever you sort down this way, it'll just focus on your first quarter grading period. Okay, and then for example, for the mid progress, it's a little bit tricky because not all the assignments were completed by the students. So I'm just going to add on for this particular mid progress things that already have been completed by the student. If you don't want to go that way, you can still use the category. So I'm just going to compare. So you can go by individual assignments and assign them percentage, like for here, maybe the student introduction, you just give 2% or something like that, right? But if you don't want to go that way, you can just exit out, and then you can go by category. So for this quarter, first quarter, we have no red ink, we have assessments, we have writing sessions, we have participations, and we have, I think that's pretty much it, or projects, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and assign them percentages. Just for example, 25, right? And you want to make sure in grading period, it's going to be in default all. You want to change that only to first quarter grading period. And then scroll down. I'll continue on, maybe 20%. No, this one maybe is only 15%. Okay, and then I'll scroll down to the next one. This one's 25%. Oops, don't forget to change to first quarter. And then projects, 25. And then again, I'm going to change it to first quarter in the vocabulary. So it's 90%, so 20. I'm going to go ahead and, so it's over by 10%, so I'm going to go back up here and adjust it. So maybe I'll just put this 20%. Shh, Mom, I'm recording. And then I'm going to scroll up 20%. So now that's 100%. When I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. Okay? So that's how you fix your weighted column for your course. So this is where it up here. Okay, so again, to create your average column or your weighted column, and then to manage categories, to set your categories for your weight system, and then also for column organization to organize what the assignments apply under in terms of your category. Okay? All right, please holler if you need any help. Okay, just message me. Okay.